Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Learn English with Rupa. In this video we are going to talk about how to speak English with confidence. See, if you are unable to speak English but if you have confidence you can do anything. See, if you don't have confidence, no one is going to listen because already you don't know what you are speaking. You haven't control on yourself. So who is going to listen? No one, right? So simply, we have to bring confidence. In this video, we are going to talk about only confidence. Why we are lacking behind confidence? Why we don't have confidence? Why we are unable to speak English with confidence? So see, simply, first reason, you may be unaware about that question, that topic, that situation which you have right now. And that's why you are unable to express as you want and as you should. For example, if I ask you, if I give you, if I put one situation at the front of you, what will you gonna reply? See, first, tell me something about Indian politics. You will tell. You will tell. I know. You can tell. You will tell. आप कहोगे कह सकते हो. But at the same time, if I ask, tell me something about American politics, you will hesitate because you don't know. You don't have enough knowledge about that. You don't know how, how governments of that country is ruling the country. So that's why having knowledge on any topic is literally important. So try to explore that thing and try to explore new thing in your life and deposit knowledge about that thing as much as you can. If you have knowledge about that thing, you can speak on that thing, on that topic with confidence. But if you don't have knowledge about that thing, you cannot. So having knowledge is important. Now here one problem will start, and one thought would gonna pop up in your mind, that is, there are lot, plenty, there are abundant topics. So is it possible to explore, deposit knowledge about each and every topic? No, I'm not saying that deposit knowledge about each and every topics. Some common topics which people is asking to you again and again, and you are fumbling, hesitating, try to deposit knowledge on that topic. Yes. Now second thing that is making you unconfident, that is not having words, not having a strong vocab. See, if I tell you, tell me something about this background, what you will tell? What you will tell? Wow, this background is charming, attractive, peculiar. See, there are so many guava tree, mango tree, right? Background noise is coming. So here I have used so many words to 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 describe the background of my side. So how I have done it? Because I have confidence and I know the thing which I am speaking, it is true. So if you don't have enough words and if you don't know what I am speaking, you will definitely lag. So please try to understand whatever I am speaking, because this video is going to help you a lot and a lot if you are lacking behind confident. And confident will build by yourself. Confident is inside you. You should, you should not, you must be hungry for the knowledge. Then you will get confident. Don't think that like I have to learn English only for cracking exam, I have to learn English to show off, I have to learn English to earn money. No, you have to learn English to change yourself, you have to learn English to change your society, you have to learn English to show those people who were laughing at you. And the hungriness which you have, that should be until or unless you will, that should be till the end, until or unless you are not going to do something with this language. So please be dedicated, be passionate. Now here curiosity matters a lot. If you don't have curiosity, if you are making excuse that like today I have done practice, tomorrow I will not do, yaar, it's literally boring, so you will lag behind confidence because you are not taking it serious. You are making excuses just like time pass. Just like this only, you are not taking it serious, so you will not get confident, because the work which you are doing, you are not serious about that, you are not utilizing the time in a good way. Yes, first of all, know why it is important. And if you are like not feeling curious, dedicated, so you will never, because you are forcing yourself to learn. But you don't have to force, you don't have to take it as a burden, you have to enjoy in it. Go deep, enjoy in it. Try to make try to make hypothetical scenario by yourself. Yes, try to make funny scenario by yourself. Now here people will say that I don't have confidence this side. See friends, confidence doesn't matter. I don't think so. Nowadays you need confidence. You have technology, right? So why always you come and stuck on only one thing? I don't have confidence. I don't have this and that. Don't go on that kind of thing, friends. Now I don't think so. You need confidence. Sorry, you need environment. You have technology. You can do anything with it. Right now you are misusing cell phone. How many of you misusing cell phone? How many of you wasting time on reels? Why not you are utilizing this thing in a good way? Why you are not polishing yourself? Why you are not making yourself skill? See, in population of India is increasing, but like see the job situation, need paper leaked, and I don't know what is going to happen in future of India. And see, each and every village, I'm talking about village, each and every village of China is producing. They are creating jobs. Yes, they are creating jobs. And what we are doing? Nothing. Nothing. We are just looking others, making fun. This is how you are going to change India. This is how you are going to change your society. This is how you are going to change your state. Just laughing on other, what they are doing, what he sees doing, what he and she is thinking about myself. No. I don't have to see what he is thinking, what she is thinking about myself. I know. So first of all, have you believed on yourself or not, that whatever I am doing, it is going to change my future or also other? If you have believed, then you start, otherwise don't start. Like nowadays no one want you to get success. Everyone are busy in their self, and you are looking at others making fun, and maybe they would be making fun, yeah, otherwise you would be making fun. But if you are doing such kind of thing, please stop it and focus on yourself and career, because no one has time, friends, no one has time. Just enough. Now you have made a lot of excuses. Just now enough. It's enough. Now start pushing yourself from now onwards. Don't say that I cannot do it, I can do it, I can do it, because I am the one who has come to change my society. Bring new comeback and commit to yourself. From now onwards, I will live a disciplined life, and within 3 months, with full dedication, with full passion, I will learn this language, and I will have learned this language. See, if I say to speak you 3 4 days, you can speak. Yes, but if I say you to speak 1 month, 2 month continuously, you will feel boring. So therefore, it is important to first of all make yourself curious for that work. जो भी आप काम कर रहे हो उसके लिए आप क्यूरियस हो जाओ ना, तो आपको वो बोरिंग लगेगा ही नहीं. जब बोरिंग नहीं लगेगा तो आप हमेशा काम करोगे, कंटिन्यूअस काम करोगे तो कंटिन्यूअस रिजल्ट मिलेंगे. ओके, सो होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड.